In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard on Clickup. Whether you're a long-time Clickup user looking to expand your project management skills or you're just starting out and eager to organize your workflow more effectively, you've come to the right place. Dashboards in Clickup offer a high-level view of your projects, tasks, and progress, allowing you to stay on top of everything with ease. Let's start by navigating to the official Clickup website. It's the central hub for all your work needs, where you can manage tasks, docs, goals, and of course, dashboards. Once you're there, the next step is crucial for accessing your personal or team workspace. You'll need to log into your account. Begin by entering your email. It's your key to unlocking all the productivity features ClickUp has to offer. After you've entered your email, the next immediate step is to input your password. Remember, your password is the guard to your project management kingdom, so keep it safe and secure. Now that your credentials are in place, it's time to hit the Login button. This action will whisk you away to your ClickUp home screen, where all your tasks and projects begin to take shape, here in the cozy confines of your NAN's workspace, or whatever you've named your workspace. You'll find everything you need to start managing your projects effectively. Our next step takes us deeper into the heart of ClickUp's functionalities. Look for the Dashboards option. This is where ClickUp really shines, allowing users to create custom views of their work. Clicking on Dashboards opens up a world of possibilities for tracking project progress, team productivity, and much more. At this point, you'll be faced with a decision to build your dashboard from scratch or to start with a template. ClickUp offers a variety of dashboard templates designed to cater to different needs and industries. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, tracking a software development project, or just keeping tabs on daily tasks, there's a template that can help jumpstart your dashboard setup. Choosing a dashboard template is like choosing the foundation for your project management house. It gives you a solid starting point with predefined widgets and layouts that you can customize to fit your specific needs. Each template is designed with a particular use case in mind, offering a unique blend of widgets like task lists, time tracking charts, project status overviews, and more. But why use a dashboard, you might ask? Well, imagine having a bird's eye view of everything that's happening in your projects. At a glance, you can see what's on track, what needs attention, and make data-driven decisions on the spot. This high-level visibility is invaluable for project managers, team leads, and even individual contributors who want to stay organized and proactive. As you select your template and begin customizing it, think about what metrics and KPIs are most important for your projects. You might want a widget that shows all tasks due this week, or a chart tracking your team's workload. The beauty of ClickUp dashboards is their flexibility, allowing you to mix, match, and customize widgets to create a dashboard that perfectly aligns with your project management style. In conclusion, setting up a dashboard in ClickUp is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for organizing and managing your work. Start by logging into your ClickUp account, navigate to Dashboards, and choose a template that fits your needs. From there, the customization options are nearly endless. You can tailor your dashboard to track exactly what's important to you and your team, making your workflow more efficient and your projects more successful. Remember, a well-organized dashboard is a powerful tool in your project management arsenal. It not only keeps you informed and focused, but also empowers your team to stay aligned and productive. So take the time to explore the dashboard functionalities in ClickUp, experiment with different widgets and layouts, and craft the ultimate dashboard that propels your projects to new heights. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a dashboard on ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to the world of project management, a thoughtfully designed ClickUp dashboard can significantly enhance your productivity and project visibility. Happy dashboarding? Happy?